Climbing stairs. You are climbing a staircase and it takes n steps to reach the top. Each time you can either climb one or two steps. In how many distinct ways can you climb to the top? For example, one way up two and it's equals to two, which is two, step two. So we have two ways to get into step two. We can climb one way, one each time to two, or just one two step, which is taking two steps. And example two, we have step three steps here, so we can climb three steps three ways. Uh, because we can climb one each time, or one plus two, one step then two steps, or two steps then one step. So this is an easy dynamic programming problem. So let's make our base cases. Base cases. So if we have one, if n is one, return one. Since this is only for only one step. If n is two, this one is two steps. Two, return two. For only two steps. So now let's make our loop to go through from 3 for I in the range of 3 from 3 to n plus 1 to get to our number. Current step is equals to step. We should call this one. We should initialize our variables. Initialize step 1 and 2 variables. Okay. One and two step variables. Okay. Step one step is 1, 2 steps is equals to 2. So 1 step plus 2 step will get us our current step for I. So I plus no one step plus 2 steps. So now we'll move on to so now we'll assign this variable to this. Okay, so 1 step will be step 2. This is for our next iteration if we have a number higher than 3. So will be equals to 2 steps, and then our 2 steps will be equals to one step. Initialize. Hold on. Initialize variables steps variables for the next iteration if applicable. And then let's move out of the for loop and return 2 steps. Oops, this should be current steps. Current steps. So for after, so the next one will be 3 here. So 3 to 1. So current will be when we add these two up, if we're trying to get, if the n is 3 here, so from here to here would be only one time. So add this to make this the current steps, and then one for the next iteration. If you have like a for, this will be the value that was here. In this case, it will be 2, and then current step is 3. In this case, 3. So it'll be 3 plus 2 will be 5. So this will likely be for number 4. If n is 4, then that will be the case. But this one, it's only 3, like we have over here. So let's submit it and see if it goes through. Run it, and it's been able to pass all the first 2 cases. The 2 cases that we have, 1 and 2. So the time and space complexities. Time and space complexities are O of n. Let's submit it to see if it passes all cases. And it's been able to pass all cases. And that's it for this problem. It's an easy dynamic programming problem.